What's going on, guys? It's your boy Corngird here, back with another episode of Corngird Chronicles. And today, I'm off for the weekend. Well, I kind of just took off for the weekend, so I'm here in Kemah, Texas. And because lately I've been on the road expediting, started a new venture, started a whole new career, and so far I'm in about a month in, and I love it. I love it. So right now, I'm getting all my equipment ready. Gonna get my rods, but we're back at the same old spot, and I'm excited. The time just changed, so we're going to get it. We're going to get it. Let's get it. First cast of the day. Go right there. I probably should have changed the line out, but it doesn't seem too bad. So we're gonna rock with it. No. Oh, dang. Big ass redfish. All right, guys, we're back at the crib, and we're about to fillet that redfish that I caught. What's crazy is I only caught one fish today, and it was only that 25-inch redfish. Didn't get any other bites, but I mean, it's still a good day though. But yeah, I didn't get any bites or anything, but it's all good. So now I'm about to fillet it up, and then we're going to cook it up. I'm still debating on how I should make it. I don't know if I'm blacken it, put in a little cream sauce, maybe some spinach, or maybe fry it, make it into a sandwich, or a piece of it, make it to a sandwich. I don't know, but you'll see. Just stay tuned. All right. All right, now that the rice is boiling, we're gonna mix it around a little bit, and then we're gonna turn it on low. And put on, you gotta put it on halfway though. I don't know why, but you do. Put it on halfway, and then you just let it sit. This stove, I have to let it be on a little bit higher than normal. Normally, I would leave it on about 1.5 to super low. But this stove, it doesn't cook right with this when it's that low, so I have to leave it on 3, and then just let it be. Wow. I wish you guys could taste this right now. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to the channel.
And please share the video to your friends or your family. You know, I'm trying to grow the channel a little bit. So if you could, that would be greatly appreciated. And yeah, hope you guys have a good day. Also, shout out to my sponsor, StenCy KEY. Remember, consistency is key. To all my content creators out there, social media influencers, hustlers, go-getters. Remember, consistency is key. All right, let's get it. Corn Gurt Chronicles.